Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Pathologic 3 gamepad or controller not working issue. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if it's working. If this also doesn't resolve, again come back, simply select use default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update controller driver. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC once and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now click on or search for settings first. Now after the settings is opened, you have to click on Bluetooth and devices, and here your controller will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on 3 dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again come back, go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device. Now here you have to select and add your controller. After you add your controller over here, now check whether gamepad or controller is not working, issue is resolved or not. If not, next method is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and then check if the issue is resolved. When you go to the Steam and select your game, here you will see an update option available. You have to simply click on update option, and once your game is updated, check if gamepad is working now. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google. Now after the website opens, here you have to click on download option. So this will take you to the next page. Now from here you have to select and install DS4 Windows tool. Now after installing it, downloading it, after you download and install it, connect your controller and update it, and once done, now launch the game and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So through these methods, you can easily fix Pathologic 3 game controller or gamepad not working issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.